New to this channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get latest notification about technology.
Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Innovative Edge Tech YouTube channel, and this video is actually dedicated to your car. It's another video on the car accessories. So let's watch what's inside this box and do the unboxing. So let's get started. So this video especially talks about car accessories, and in car accessories couple of things are important, as you know. The first was the car DVR mirror, which I have already ordered and made a video. If you haven't watched that video, you can check out the links in the description. Also, I'll leave a card to it. This is the second accessories which is very important if you want to have a good look and feel of your car. It is anotherly important if you want to boost your FM signal. So this car accessories, yeah, you guessed it correctly, it's a car antenna. It's a car shark antenna, and most of the SUVs and big cars you will see this antenna. This is an accessories which is actually of standard quality, and obviously as on this channel we actually unbox those accessories or those smart devices which actually make your life easier and give you a good value for money. So this is one of the such device, and this is a car shark antenna which is selling in India for around 1400 to 1800 rupees. There is a low quality of this as well, which has the low coiling effect. I'll talk about it later, but let's try to unbox this and see what's inside this box. Okay, obviously the links will be in the description. The buying links in the descriptions. You can go through the links and check out. I'll cut it from this side, I think so. This is the correct side to cut. So this packing is not that great, but it is good because it's a bubble wrap. So now I have cut this, and if you take out this box, it says the shark antenna. That's the branding of it. Okay, that's their registered trademark. I don't know what it is. It says some handling things, water protect and all that, and then the packet is little damaged on one side. Okay, it looks like this, and it's a waterproof shark antenna. So there are three qualities of it. One is this kind of shark antenna, another is this front shark, and this is waterproof shark. I have actually ordered this one. This looks decent and it looks good, plus it's a waterproof. So it says dark gray here. I was actually looking for gray, I think, so I got a dark gray. Let's see. And you can order it in different colors. All colors are available. My car is a dark gray color, so I have ordered dark gray. Okay, so first when you open the box, you will find the shark antenna itself, and it's nicely packed. I'll open this packing. Okay, and you will find the coiling here. So this is the coiling, and it's a pretty decent coiling, my friends. So I will tell you the difference what happens here. So in the coiling part of the other type of the shark antenna, you will feel that there is single coil in between. Okay, but whereas this one has a double coiling. Okay, and the coiling is very good, and it is actually stick to the antenna. Okay, and this is the rubbery surface which will not allow any water to go inside. So this is a rubber grip here. It cannot be removed. It is a fixed one. That's good part. And two screws here. And then this is the unit for the connection to your car. This one. Okay. This is the screws which will connect, and it's I guess it's a good screw. It's small, and then you have a 3M original tape. So this is a 3M original tape. Okay, and it's a double-sided tape, I guess. Yes, so it's a double-sided tape, you can see. So this will stick here, and okay, so yeah, it will stick on the inner surface, not on the rubber panel. Okay, and basically 3M side, red side will go on your metal surface, whereas the white side will go on the top surface. Okay, so this is very good antenna, my friends, and I think so it will match to my car color. It should match to my car color. We'll see on that, but it will give a decent look to your car, plus it will boost your antenna signals, FM antenna radio signals, and even when you are out of the city and all, you can catch the radio signals. You can also try to boost the signal using different kind of antennas, but this is the one which is actually very good, and look and feel will be very good. It will be on the top of the car, as I showed you in the picture. It will be like this. Okay, so we'll put this on the car, and we'll make a separate video on that. So that's all for this video, my friends. If you want to buy this car shark antenna, you can go out to links in the descriptions, and you can check out the prices and buy it from Amazon or from other shopping sites. Thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe and like, share our videos.